Oh, shoot. Welcome to my channel, Lefty Builds. Today, we're going to build a box. Now, I built this box because I got tired of buying paper towels. So, I decided to buy a bag of 150 reusable cloth towels. Now, we have nowhere to store those cloth towels, so I built a box. And not any box, but like an okay box because I'm a novice DIYer and I'm still learning. Stick around for that process. Oh, jeez. Oh. I saw this and it hurt my stomach watching it back because why would I try to split wood like that? Yeah, don't do that, okay? Please. Here I'm adding glue to the edges that I missed earlier on in this video. Now ideally you'd want to use clamps to really hold these pieces together so they have a good bond with the glue. However, I forgot that I had clamps, so I'm just pressing these pieces together and hoping the glue does its thing. Now this is the functional final piece of the project. Obviously it's not beautiful and not fully done because look at it, but I needed to record this video so I could upload this video. So thanks for watching and like and subscribe.